Sterilizing your baby's bottles is a way to keep them extra clean and add another layer of protection for your baby's developing immune system. Milk is an ideal medium for bacterial growth, making it important to clean and sterilize any equipment that has been in contact with it. There are various methods and products available for sterilizing baby bottles. Boiling water is a simple and effective method to sterilize the baby bottles. Start by filling a pot with water and placing it on the burner. Turn the burner to high. Once boiling, carefully add the baby bottle, nipple, and rim into the pot. Allow them to boil for 4 to 5 minutes to ensure that most germs, including viruses and bacteria, are killed. After boiling, turn off the burner and use clean tongs to carefully remove the items from the pot. Place them on a clean towel to air dry. This method quickly and efficiently sterilizes baby bottles. Dr. Brown's microwave steam sterilizer bags offer an easy way to sanitize baby bottles, nipples, pacifiers, breast pump parts, and more in just 90 seconds. Each pack contains 5 BPA-free, reusable bags that can be used up to 30 times. The bags are designed with a flat base to keep them upright during use, making them convenient for both home and travel. To use the sterilizer bags, first clean and rinse the bottles and parts thoroughly. Open one of the bags and place the items inside. Add about 60 milliliters of water to the bottom of the bag. Seal the bag. Place the bag upright in the microwave and heat it for about 90 seconds. After microwaving, carefully remove the hot bag and let it cool for a few minutes. Open the bag slowly to avoid steam burns. Each bag can be reused up to 20 times if it remains in good condition. For more extensive sterilization needs, Dr. Brown's bottle sterilizer and dryer can steam and dry up to 6 bottles. This device eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, mold, and yeast, including those that cause thrush. Once the sterilization cycle is complete, the contents can stay sterile for up to 24 hours if the lid remains closed. The sterilizer comes with a removable accessory tray for small parts. To use, place clean bottles and accessories in the sterilizer, ensuring there is enough space for steam to circulate. Add the specified amount of water and follow the manufacturer's directions to start the cycle. Sterilizing baby bottles is crucial for keeping them clean and protecting your baby's immune system.